Okay, let me pick it. So, guys, do you know that you can search for a video on YouTube with just an image or with just a photo or picture? So, um, and with this, you can just do this without going to YouTube. Yes, it's very easy and simple. First of all, if you want to learn this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to support this channel, and also please share this video with your friends who also do not know. Comment down anything if you have any problem. So what you have to do to do this is to go to Google Play Store. So go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Then you tap on it, and when you tap on it, what you have to do is to search for this Google Lens. Search for this name, which is Google Lens. Google Lens. So when you search for Google Lens, it's going to appear. You are going to get this result. So what you have to do is to tap on it. Then after that, you just have to tap on open. Okay. So when you tap on open, you're going to get this. And also, if you already have the app installed on your phone, you're going to see it over here. When you have the search Google search over here, you're going to see it as button over here. So what you have to do is to just tap on it to just look at it. There's it. There's it. um, so what you have to do is to just tap on it like this, then you're going to get the same result when you open. So when you open, what you have to do is to just search for the image that you think you want to watch the video on. So I want to watch a video of Daniel Hustle. So as you can see, I already have Daniel Hustle over here. So you just tap on it like this, and you're going to get the thumbnail over here. So it's going to search. Make sure it's on search over here like this. Then you scroll, and as you can see, we already have the video over here. So when you tap on it, it's going to send you to YouTube to watch this video. So as you can see, this is it. So if you want to watch this video, you tap on watch over here, and it's going to send you to YouTube. So let's tap on it, and after tapping on it, you have to wait for some while. You're going to see it over here, and this is the video. So this is Daniel Hustle. So that's it. You see, we just use Google send. You see, this is him. You just use Google search, and we got this result. So thank you very much. This is very simple. This is very easy. Please tap on the subscribe button to support me. Don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and also if you have any question, just let me know in my comment section. See you in my